Hi, this is another filament review. This one I'm doing in front of one of the printers for a reason. It's 3D Solutech Apple Green PLA. This stuff is an absolute beautiful green color. It calls for, on the box, running at about 225 degrees, 215 to 225. I found that's about accurate, so that's good. Small, but it has a little bit of a problem. Beautiful finish. Absolutely the best green I have ever seen, and I own quite a few different greens. But on little parts like this, I used it for the Z-brace on my i3. The parts are absolutely beautiful green. I even used it for the cooling duct on it. Beautiful green color. But on the larger parts, for some reason, like this one, I did this twice, and I'll show you the other one. Once it runs for a few minutes on the bed, say about 5, 6, 7 hours, you start getting little layer separations on it all the way up through the part as it goes. Let's see if I can get one to focus. Here, yeah, you can start to see it right there. Little layer separations. See it in the back? All across the part. And I mean, you can go in with a 3D pen and correct it and sand that if you really want to, like I did there. But I didn't sand it because it's a functional part. So I made some adjustments to the settings and tried it again, and it got worse. Lots and lots of layer separations, as you can see there. But for some reason, small little parts like this that only take an hour or two to run, or like that, print absolutely great. The only thing I can figure is it's having issues with the heated bed. That the farther it gets away from the heated bed and the longer it sits off of it, the more it layer separates. The next time I'm going to print with it, I'm going to try and up the heat just a little bit more, or maybe put a shroud over top of the printer to maybe hold the heat in a little better. Maybe it wants to try to print like ABS. 3D Solutech has this weird blending on some of their material, so it may actually have a little bit of ABS blend in it. So a few things to try, but I really want to get it down right because this is my second spool of it, and they both run exactly the same, and it's an absolute beautiful green color. I own a few different greens, and nothing looks this shade of green. Nothing at all. If you want to see an upcoming review sneak peek, see that PETG yellow? Wait till you see the finished product on that. I've already made one, and my wife stole it, so there's an automatic second one I'm going to have to make. It is an absolute beautiful PETG coming up for review in a few days. Thanks again.